guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making potato balls. Fun fact about me, I don't really like potatoes and these are potato balls. So let's see if, this is going to be pretty interesting for you to see if I like them or not. First, you need 4 boiled potatoes in a big bowl. Now we mash them up. You mash them as fine as possible. If you have this thing that makes your potatoes into noodles, I don't know what it's called, but I don't have it, so I'm using this masher. I never knew mashing potatoes was so hard. My mom came for the rescue to mash these potatoes. We're doing 2 kinds, one with the seasoning, one without seasoning, because I think my grandma likes plain and I don't know which one I like, so I'm just gonna do both. I divided these in 2 bowls. You can add whatever seasoning you want, but first you have to add salt to both of them. 1 teaspoon of salt in each bowl.
Yeah.
After that, you add 1 tablespoon in each bowl, some cornstarch. Now I'm gonna put all the seasonings I want in 1 bowl and keep the other bowl plain. So in this bowl, I'm gonna add a tiny bit of garlic powder and some Italian seasoning. Now you mix it up and then roll it into small bowls. So these are the seasoning ones and these are the plain ones. In the original recipe, they said after you're done cooking these, you put like some seasonings on, spicy ones, and I don't eat spicy stuff, so I'm just gonna eat them plain. Seasoning.
No, wait.
Tasting time.
Yeah.
Not bad. But they were pretty crunchy. Guys, these ones I can taste the potato. It's not very crunchy and I can also taste the seasonings, but the plain has the crunch and it tastes like potatoes, just crunchy potatoes.
But is it good?
Yeah. But I think this one is the best. Bye, enjoy my video. So subscribe to my channel. My channel is fire. Please, I really want to get some dollars. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel.